Hello, lovely people. Hope you're all doing good. My name is Win Palmer, and this is What's Cooking Bacon. So today we'll be making some banana bread filled with nuts and chocolate chips, and this is so good. So why don't you come with me? Let's go ahead and make this wonderful bread. We will start by measuring out some all-purpose flour. So this is just 1.5 cups, and I'm going to add some baking soda to that, and I'll also be adding some salt. Then I'll whisk that up and set it aside. Then in a separate bowl, I will be mashing up 3 ripe bananas. I will cut those bananas into smaller pieces using my hands, and I'll go in with a fork just to mash everything up. And that is looking good, so let's push that aside and work on something else. So next on our list, we will be mixing up some butter at room temperature or softened butter and some brown sugar. So I'm going to use a hand mixer just to get that all together, and I'll also be adding 2 eggs, but I'll add them one at a time just to make sure I have it well incorporated. Now I go in with a second egg, and that's done, so I'm just going to mix that up very well, and I'll go in with some vanilla extract and lemon extract. I just like the combination of these two when I'm making banana bread because I feel like it brings out the best flavor. And now I'm going to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients, and in goes my mashed bananas. Now that that's done, I'm going to mix it up. Just give it a good mix till you don't have the flour all over like it looks right now. Once it looks like this, you have done a good job mixing it up. So for me, I'm going to go in with some crushed pecans and chocolate chips. This is just a very good touch to banana bread, like it takes everything to the next level. So if you want to take everything to the next level, you can definitely choose to add those. I will go ahead and transfer my banana bread mixture to a well-oiled and flat baking tin. Make sure you do that very well so that you don't have your banana bread sticking to your can when you're done baking it. To be very sure, you can also line this baking tin with parchment paper. That would really do the trick. Now I'm going to go ahead and spread the mixture all over just to make sure I have my bread coming out looking much more leveled. I will top this up with a little bit more chocolate chips, and then this is going to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, or until all the edges have browned up really well and a toothpick comes out clean when you stick it into the bread. And there you have it, like the most delicious banana bread ever, topped with some nuts and chocolate chips. Like, you need to try this. It's so good and it just melts in your mouth. Guys, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video or you learned a thing or two. I hope you try this recipe and I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in the future. Take care everyone, and see you soon.